Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C and today I'm gonna show you this beautiful gorgeous half cut crease eye look. So if you want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with priming my eyelids and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And again, for today's look, I'm gonna use this pretty all set eyeshadow palette by You Can Be because I'm getting so much color in it, so I can try different eyeshadow look with this palette. So I'm just in love with this. So I'm gonna pick this color. Now I'm gonna pick this color. Now I'm going to take this lemon color. Now I'm gonna do a half cut crease and I'm using this FS38 base. And I'm just blending it with my finger. Now again I'm going to take this color and put that color here. Now again I'm going to take this color and now picking this yellow shade. I'm just going to apply it all over my inner lid. I'm gonna use some loose glitter, so I need some glitter glue and I'm using this NYX glitter primer. Now gonna add some glitter. I'm going to draw some foxy liner today and I'm using this Maybelline gel liner for that. So I'm going to take this color to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm going to take this color to highlight my eyebrow bone. And now I'm taking black from this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to smudge this end. Now taking that dark brown shade again. Before moving to the lower lash line, I'm gonna complete my face makeup and put some falsies, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to complete my lower lash line, and I'm gonna add yellow shade on my lower waterline. Now I'm going to take that dark brown shade again, and I'm just going to add that color. To take a lighter shade than that, and I'm just diffusing. Now again going to take that yellow shimmer, and I'm gonna set my whole face with this M.A.C Fix Plus. This is the complete look. I am so much happy with the outcome, and if you like this look also, then please let me know by commenting below, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. And you may like to watch this video also. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.